This video walks you through how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. Start from the top menu in Xero. Click Sales, then select Invoices. This opens the Invoices page where you can view the invoices linked to your sales activity. On this screen, look through the list and locate the invoice you want to update. Once you find the right one, open it to view the full invoice details. After the invoice is open, move down through the page until you reach the Record Payment section near the bottom. This is the area used to apply a payment directly to the invoice so the balance and status can be updated correctly. In the Record Payment section, begin by entering the date the payment was received. Use the Date Paid field and choose the correct date for the transaction. This matters because the payment will be saved against that date in your records. Next, choose the account where the payment was received. This should match the account that actually received the money. Make sure you select the correct account before continuing, since this affects how the payment is recorded in Xero. Then check the Amount Paid field. Xero may already display the full outstanding amount, but you can verify it and edit it if needed. If the customer paid the full invoice, leave the full amount shown. If the amount needs to be adjusted, enter the figure that matches the payment you received. You can also add a reference if you want to include one. This step is optional, but it can help identify the payment later when you review the invoice or compare it with your account records. If you do not need a reference, you can leave that field blank and continue. Once all the payment details are entered, review the section one more time to confirm the date, account, amount, and any reference are correct. When everything looks right, click Record Payment. Xero will save the payment to the invoice and update the invoice status automatically. After the payment is recorded, the invoice will show as paid. This confirms that the payment has been applied and that the invoice no longer appears as outstanding. If you are managing multiple invoices, you can return to the Invoices page and repeat the same process for any others that need to be updated. The key part is making sure you are opening the correct invoice and entering the payment details accurately before saving. The invoice is now marked as paid in Xero.